fresh dose of tech news and insight. This is the Early Burb Briefing. It is Friday, April 1st, 2022, and it doesn't matter what the show was called. This is mine now, for I am the great and powerful Gundham TANAKA. Now, while this show is of minor convenience to me to be able to tell you about my greatness and how the great Tanaka Empire expands even further to now command the airwaves using this mere small studio, I am also told I am obligated to talk about how the inferior company known as Activision Blizzard has managed to settle a lawsuit they had going on for a mere $18 million. However, it is of inconsequential fact. For you see, despite the fact that the judge, Dale Fisher, had approved this $18 million settlement, it matters not to this Activision Blizzard. For on one hand, they acquire this amount of money in mere days. The other fact is that mortal currency matters not. What matters is the covenants you packed, the deals you struck with the elder gods below. For you see, their actions have angered the great Beelzebub, for they have not paid their penance to the great overlord just yet. And unfortunately for the great Bobby Kotick, he is trying to figure out how to buy another yacht when he should be considering how to acquire the 6,900 goats he requires to sacrifice to both Beelzebub and Baphomet, both. Without it, he is doomed to be dragged down and forced into servitude. For you see, it is clear that he has made a pact with them in order to look that sinister and evil without the effect of a hellhound earring. The foolish fool. He could have had it all if only he went and paid his penance to the great Dark Lords. However, by being so obsessed with mere mortal conveniences like yachts and women, he is doomed. And he does not realize it yet. And you'd think he would know, having to go ahead and be in charge of such projects known as Diablo, Diablo 2, Diablo 3, and Overwatch, which is of course the home to the greatest demon known to man, May. Why is the music getting loud? What do you mean I have to wrap it up? I will rant as long as I choose. You cannot silence me. Who do you think you are? Who are these people who try to silence me? I will tell you this right now. They will silence me today, but I'll be back tomorrow. In the meantime, go forth, my minions. Go out there. Join my 4 dark devas of destruction and conquer the day.